As long as it takes. As long as it takes. We're going to keep coming here. And I don't care if every other person here gets tired. I don't care if it's remaining just one man. If God needed just one man to save Sodom and Gomorrah, Nigeria needs just one person to turn it around. I don't care. I'm going to keep coming here. The vote is the only thing a common man has. That's the only power we have. Then be the only thing where poor man say they do shakara. Say you not do this road to my house, so I not go vote for you next time. You want to take it away? Never. Other people might be sleeping. Other people might be distracted. But we stay focused. They must allow us vote. And our votes must count. That's all.
That's all.
Babio can't do nothing about it.
We're not asking for too much.
We're not asking for too much.
We're not asking for too much.
You see their roads?
Show
them. See their roads.
We're not asking for
their security. They have it all. We have nothing.
Our results. That's all.
Nothing.
That's all.
And then you say we should not protest. One die now. Birds they come. We will sleep. Even these people protecting them have not been paid. Some months ago, police were protesting at Force Headquarters. No pension. After 35 years. And then, the only thing we have against these people, which is our vote. You say it will not count. How about die? I'm a Benin woman. Now here with you.
We have 1 year to plan, yeah? We are coming out to say we want our results to be to put it at the IREF immediately. We need it. Electronic transmission of our results. That's all we want. Of the election results, real time. That's what we want. That's what we are clamoring for. We are not saying that all this, all that. We want our vote must count. That was what we want. Our vote must count. Our vote must count. One man, one vote. No rigging. That's what we want. We don't want rigging. God bless you. We don't want rigging. All we want is transmit our results to the IRF there and there. That is what we are coming from. Thank you.
When you are under oppression, for how long you dey fight for freedom? For as long as it takes. Until you get freedom. If not, anytime when you keep quiet, you are now cooperating with your oppressors. Nigerians now people where they be like they don't take hostage. People where they kidnap. Instead of all of us to come together fight to release ourselves, we rather they cooperate with people where kidnap us, where take us hostage. And guess what? How many be the number of the people where take Nigerians hostage? How many be the senators where they 109? House of Reps 360. Calculate all the governors who stand on mandate upon which they shall collapse. Calculate the minister and president, put them together. A handful of people, they hold more than 200 million lives hostage in a country. We call ourselves intelligent people. We call ourselves hardworking. We must become courageous people. We must become people who know how to pick good leaders. Not only intelligent people who know how to do comedy, know how to create content, yet we they die. Which country can a people, terrorists, enter community, go kill more than 200 people? 200 people and the thing not be breaking news. That is they enter people's house, commot them one after the other, they slaughter. And we then here, president, they attend wedding. And he call himself commander-in-chief, master strategist. This one a master strategist for Uri Buruku, no master strategist for security. You do not know how to protect life. You they share territory and command-in-chief with terrorists. So for Nigeria today, US they help to fight insecurity. France, they collect tax. Tinubu is in charge of defections to APC. Shame on this president. Shame on this government. We must fix election in this country.
People are in their remote villages registering for political parties online. People are paying tax online. People subscribe online. The bandits and the kidnappers are kidnapping our people, entering the bush, counting their ransoms, and at the same time sending it to us. And we are seeing it, doing TikTok live, and we're all watching it. Where are they getting those networks from? You see, it is a word. That's why we say that cannot work. It is enough, and enough is enough. What we are demanding is very simple. Transmission result from the polling unit in the real time, where people will see it. Electoral fraud is over. Rig and die. It is a do and die affair. 2027. Thank you.